So we're stood here at Grainger and Worrall's machining division. What has this business got to do with next door?
So the Marches Centre of Manufacturing Technology is established by 4 companies as a consortium. Grainger and Worrall is one of those shareholders. Basically why we've got together the consortium with Classic Motor Car Setup Design Engineering and Income Training is really to try and resolve the skills gap that we have as a business, but also that we have across the whole region. In August 15 we got together the larger employers and everybody said if we don't do something different we're going to cannibalise each other, we're just going to steal each other's skills and we're not going to be able to grow. So we've taken the onus upon ourselves to actually make that leap of faith, set up a training facility and do something different.
Is it fair to say it might be slowing your growth down, the lack of available labour?
Certainly, and some of the skills that we don't have currently, maybe that we don't actually know we don't have them. So some of the robotic skills, the automation skills, things that are now becoming technology that is almost off the shelf, we don't have the way to apply them. So part of the process with our development centre is to actually be able to add to productivity, improve our growth, also our competitiveness and therefore our profitability.
And you've got an interesting dynamic, haven't you? Because you've got a senior role here, but also you're managing director of the Marches.
Yeah, I like to be busy. So 4 days a week I'm on the project as MD of the MCMT. 1 day a week I'm still looking after the systems as director at Grainger and Worrall.
So tell me about the engineering club that I've heard a lot about.
So alongside training and development, we've recognised that in our region there's lots of small and micro businesses who actually don't have access to their own engineering workshops. We've got all the top level kits, so we're going to allow access to that equipment like a gym membership, so you pay a monthly subscription fee, but the induction will be on metrology equipment, CNC equipment, whereas you'd normally get an induction on a jogger and a running machine. Then our club members can come and use the equipment on site. They develop the next product generation, so they win from next generation products, we win from a little bit of revenue, and our supply base win because hopefully they'll purchase that set of equipment in the future.
And how many apprentices are you likely to see in the next few years?
The target is 68. We can take up to 68 this September. Pretty much on a rolling basis, we'll be aiming for about between 81 and 90 on the future years. So it's quite an ambitious scheme, but if we don't do this, then actually we're not going to be able to grow as a region.
So Matt, this machine shop, it's full of the latest technology. What is it you do here?
So we're particularly focused on precision engineering, but heads and blocks is our skill set, some sumps as well. So it's automotive predominantly. Fully air conditioned, so plus or minus around ½ degree throughout the year. Obviously metal moves, so we've got to have that consistency. We've got a suite of different tools from pallet systems right the way to single machines. We've got a full metrology suite, 4 CMMs downstairs, again fully air conditioned. We're measuring to about 1 micron accuracy. We're machining to anywhere between 10 and 20 microns accuracy. So really top end kit. Customers, Jaguar Land Rover, the Bentleys, the Porsches, the Aston Martins, it's the top end guys.